Okay, now start writing. Now start writing, all my dear students. What I am writing here. First of all, we have to write the aim. What is today's aim? Chalo. Oh, bhai. Chalo, you have to write with me the aim here all. So start writing all. You have to write with me the aim. What is what is the aim? To prepare a mixture and compound using using iron, iron filling, fillings and sulfur powder, sulfur powder, powder.
Sir, aim is complete.
No, beta. I'm writing, still writing. Powder, powder. And this can you this use between them. So now aim is done and you have to note down the aim. What is the aim? Now my screen is visible now, all my dear students. It's clear? Hello. All my dear students,
Sir, your
my
voice is
screen
cutting.
is clear? My voice is cutting. Okay, just a minute. I hope now it's coming properly.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay, so you have to write the aim. What is the aim?
To prepare a mixture and compound using iron fillings and sulfur powder and distinguish between them.
Yes, very good.
Sir, aim written.
Okay, now you have any idea what is the meaning of homogeneous and heterogeneous?
No, sir.
Hello,
Genia.
homogeneous and heterogeneous. Heterogeneous. You know what is the meaning of both words? What is the meaning of that both words?
No, sir.
What is the meaning of homogeneous? Means okay, you take the sugar and water. Okay, and that time I am going to be telling you what you have to do. That time you have to decide. That time what you have to decide. That time you have to decide what we have to do. We have to do what we have to check. We have to mix that both things. Are just minute. I'm going to network now. More. So all my dear students, what we have to do, we have to do, you take the sugar and water, you mix it wellly in one glass. So what happened? It mixed wellly. Sugar dissolve हो जाएगी properly water. So it's called homogeneous. What homogeneous? Okay, you take a lemon juice and add the water. So it mixed wellly or immiscible. You heard that word miscible or immiscible? You heard that word? Hello. Who know that word miscible or immiscible?
I.
Yeah, okay. What is the meaning of miscible?
Visible means देखा ही.
It's not a visible, not a visible. Miscible. I double M.
Sir, visible means
Saqib.
we can see.
अरे बेटा not a visible. Miscible. M. Miscible. Properly mix होना अच्छे से. What properly miscible means mix होना अच्छे से, and immiscible means properly mix नहीं होगा. Okay, I'll give you just one example. Oil and water, that is a miscible or immiscible? Water, oil and water, that is a miscible or immiscible? Oil and water. All my dear students, you all are sleeping.
Yes, sir.
Sleeping.
No, sir. I'm not sleeping.
So why you all my dear students, you are not answering?
Sir, what is the question? But
What is the meaning of miscible or immiscible liquid? I hope
sir, I know
Supriya ma'am was
immiscible, not miscible.
taught. Okay. So what is the meaning of miscible? Tell me.
Sir, miscible water that immiscible के immiscible ना हो
Opposite.
miscible
No.
और miscible ना
No,
हो
I want a
immiscible.
proper meaning. I want a proper definition. Listen carefully. Miscible means what? For example, water and milk. मैं water के साथ milk add करूँ, so वो properly उसके साथ मिल जाएगा कि नहीं?
No, पतला पतला हो जाएगा.
वाटर एंड हाँ मिल्क એટલે मीन्स उसके साथ हो जाएगा कि वो सरफेस अलग कर लेयर क्रिएट करेगा मिल्क
नहीं
और
ये
वाटर.
ट्रिगर नहीं करेगा सर.
हाँ बस तो दैट इज माय पॉइंट. इट्स कॉल्ड अ मिसिबल. ओके,
Okay,
जो
sir.
कोई भी लिक्विड के साथ अच्छे से मिल घुल जाता है, ओके, इट्स कॉल्ड अ मिसिबल. एंड
Sir, can I
इमिसिबल
give
मीन्स
an
व्हाट?
example of immiscible?
Just a minute, beta Mohammed Abbas. Now I'll give you one example of immiscible. Water and oil. It's an example of immiscible.
Yes, ma'am.
IMMSCIBLE.
Yes,
It's
sir. Oil will come
insoluble.
upper.
Okay, oil and water. So it's happen. So in water, oil is create a one type of the layer. वो एक लेयर क्रिएट करेगा, उसको आप एक साथ मिलाओ. किसको? वाटर एंड ऑयल को. So it's called immiscible. Understood? Now I want one example. All my dear students. Yes, Momo.
Sir,
Yes,
the
Mohammed
example
Abbas.
is
Tell
ink
me.
and water.
Yes, ink and water. So it's miscible or immiscible?
Immiscible.
Ink and water. Okay, chalo. It's miscible. Okay, chalo. Then after. चलो, सो वो समझ में आया सबको? मिसिबल और इमिसिबल ये सब साइंटिफिक टर्म्स है, एंड देन दैट टर्म्स यू हैव टू कीप इट इन माइंड. Got my points, all of you?
Yes,
Chalo
sir.
now. Homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous and heterogeneous.
Heterogeneous.
Okay. Okay, so what I am given you here the example homogeneous. Homogeneous means a miscible substance, miscible liquid. For example, a homogeneous example of what means we have to हमें properly एक ही करना है दोनों liquid को. So I am taking the water and milk. So it's called a homogeneous. Heterogeneous means what? Oil and water. It's called a heterogeneous.
Okay,
That is
sir.
the
Now understood.
example of yes. Understood now, all of you?
Sir, I
Saqib.
understood.
Understood, beta Saqib? Muhammad Ali Khetani. Understood, beta? Understood? Ali Raza Saujani. Beta, understood? Saujani?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Khizar. If you have any doubt, so now you can ask me.
Yes,
अभी
sir.
आप लोग मुझे पूछ सकते हो. Understood, all of you?
Yes, sir.
चलो वेरी गुड ऑल माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स. चलो ओके, तो वो समझ में आया. Very good. Now, what is the aim? So now I'm going to explain the aim. To prepare a mixture and compound using iron fillings and a sulfur powder distinguish between them. So चलो ये पूरा practical अभी हमें लिखना है. What we have to write here? We have to write the first
लिखना है.
experiment here, and then we will going to be possible to solve. So we will going to be solve that. Means I am going to be showing that practical. Okay. Now further, you have to write. You have to write the what we have to write the first between उसके बीच में क्या होने वाला है. So you have to write one more things here. I am writing. You have to write it with me. चलो apprehensis.
Sir, apparatus नहीं?
Where is the other? Beta, just means apprehensis means we have to mention that word is what? Homogeneous apprehensis. Start writing, Olo. Homogeneous or heterogeneous. Just a minute. Chalo. Genus or.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
we have to write not appearance then this no.
Yes, beta.
Like a note.
यस. एम के नीचे ये सब लिखना है.
Okay.
चलो, then after the next second one is what? Magnetic magnetic properties. Magnetic properties. What is the meaning of magnetic properties? I hope you all know. ये सब आप लोग साइंस में कर चुके हो. That's why I am take the practical. Third one is what? Solubility. Solubility in a carbon. This carbon disulfide. Sulfide.
Sir, in carbon પછી શું છે?
Disulfide. And then after the effect effect of heat means we have to check these four quality in this practical. ये मैंने चार qualities लिखी है. We have to check that qualities in check these things in our experiment. Understood all my dear students? Got my
Yes, sir.
points? Okay, chalo start writing. After complete these things, you have to telling me, we have to move on further.
Sir, I have doubt.
Yes, beta.
Sir,
Okay.
you might in Fairbook, but by
What
general
your
that
voice
is
is
not.
not coming. Okay, so now you note down in rough book. After you make a prepared a fair book, that time you have to write in your fair
Sir,
book.
I write it.
Your voice
Okay.
is breaking, beta.
Sir, I have written.
Okay, beta. Chalo.
Sir, this
Now,
Sir,
eh? Yes, beta.
sir, finish, sir. हो गया.
Chalo, very good, beta. Chalo, now can you tell me, all my dear students, what is the meaning of
sir
solubility?
written.
The meaning of solubility? Hello,
What's that?
Muhammad Abbas Saqib. What is the meaning of solubility?
Yeah, sir.
Solubility. See here, what is a meaning of
Solid.
solubility? Solubility, not a solid.
Solid to
Read
liquid.
here the. No, no, no. Solubility. You forgot that words.
सर
Solubility.
पहली बार सुना है क्या फोर को?
Soluble. Solubility means उसके okay. Solubility means what? We have to check that liquid is soluble in water. Soluble means पता है ना सबको? Soluble or insoluble?
नहीं मालूम. पहली बार तो सुना है सर ये सारे शब्द.
Soluble or insoluble?
सर ये भी लिखने का है.
Soluble or नहीं, this is just example for you.
ओके.
Soluble or insoluble? Soluble means what? कि जो कोई भी लिक्विड के साथ properly mix हो जाता है, it's called a soluble, and insoluble it's not a mixed with all together. सबके साथ वो अच्छे से
Sir, we are.
घुल मिल नहीं जाता है. Okay,
मिसेबल
soluble for example milk, then after water is all are the soluble liquid, but oil and
ink
gel and as like that, ink like that, all are not
means they
they
are
all are
insoluble.
the insoluble substance. Got my point, all of you?
Okay, sir.
Okay, chalo.
Understand.
Okay, it's called a solubility test. Got my point, all of you? Do
Okay,
fast,
sir.
all.
सर अब क्या करने का है?
Chalo, ये done.
हाँ ये लिख लिया.
These things is done.
Sir,
Okay, now we will move on further. We will going to move on further the apparatus. How to
Okay.
write the apparatus with me? Apparatus. So start writing, all my dear students. To China, dishes. Dishes. After writing, I'm going to be telling you all things. Then after tripod, wire goes.
Okay.
So start writing, all my dear
Sir,
students.
Sir, now substance now.
No. Still two more words is left, beta.
Marquis, okay.
Wire gauge goes, then after Bunsen we have to know write the Bunsen, but we have to write only burner. Burner. Okay. Then after it's magnet. Then after further word is the microscope. Micro. Microscope. So microscope, and then after
Sir, return.
bus. Okay, last it's microscope. Chalo done. Now for
Yes,
the
sir, done.
material. Material. So make a new heading. Materials. Chalo. Materials. In material you have to iron, filling, then after sulfur powder, sulfur, and one more thing, all my dear students. What one more things I am going to be telling you. Uh, what is the mean? Sorry, in two way we have to write the sulfur. SULPHUR, otherwise ER, and one more word is sulfur, SULFER, sulfur. ओके, वो हम पहले की बुक में, पहले जो बुक होती थी उसमें सल्फर SULFER मेंशन हुआ है, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट वर्ड इज SULPHER और UR भी है मेंशन, मींस P और F भी दोनों मेंशन है सल्फर के स्पेलिंग में. तो आप कोई भी लिख सकते हो, बट अभी जो मैं लिखवा रहा हूँ जो हमारी बुक में है दैट इज अ वैलिड. ओके, मींस वी हैव टू राइट दैट वर्ड्स प्रॉपर्ली. चलो start writing, all my dear students. Sulfur.
सर यू के बदले ई लग सकते हैं.
What? हाँ बेटा लिख सकते हैं. हाँ लिख सकते हैं. चलो, material is done here. Carbon disulfide. Di means what? Double. Double components of sulfide. चलो जल्दी लिखो, and then we have to add the procedure. Okay, but चलो प्रोसीजर का टाइम नहीं है अभी. Yes बेटा.
Sir, return.
Here
Sir,
we don't
return.
have time of the procedure. Listen, प्रोसीजर का टाइम नहीं है
सर
अभी.
फिगर.
नेक्स्ट लेक्चर फिगर, हाँ फिगर भी है, वो भी उसका भी टाइम नहीं है. आई एम गोइंग टू बी सेंड द होल PDF टू यू. ओके, अभी होमवर्क में आपको अभी रफ बुक में लिखनी है, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में आप सब लोग को लिखाऊंगा. बट ये PDF कंप्लीट मीन्स ये लेक्चर्स में तो हम लोग ने इतना ही किया. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम लोग बेटा क्या करने वाले हैं, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम लोग पूरा फिगर लेक्चर्स में ड्रॉ करेंगे एंड देन वी हैव टू राइट द प्रोसीजर. ओके,
सर वो
व्हाट वी हैव टू राइट? व्हाट? यस बेटा, अभी फेसबुक में लिखना है. हाँ बेटा, फेसबुक में लिखना है. यस, व्हाट?
जो पीडीएफ आप सेंड करोगे वो भी फेसबुक में?
मैं आज पीडीएफ नहीं बेटा सेंड करूंगा. आज मैं पीडीएफ सेंड करने नहीं वाला हूँ बिकॉज ऑफ ये एक्सपेरिमेंट हो जाने के बाद मैं सेंड करूंगा. बाकी तो आप लोग लेक्चर्स में क्या करोगे? लेक्चर्स में आप सब लोग यू के यू बैठे रहोगे और कुछ लिखोगे नहीं. सो दैट इज नॉट प्रॉपर थिंग. एंड उसके बाद आप डायरेक्टली क्या करने वाले हो? डायरेक्ट आप पीडीएफ में से लिख लोगे. So that is